The International Women in Engineering Day is a big deal at Exeter.
We are thrilled to host International Women in Engineering Day 2024.
The International Women in Engineering Day is such an important event because it's an opportunity for all of us to celebrate and recognize the contributions that women engineers made worldwide.
The event is also about building a stronger research culture here at the University of Exeter.
It happens across all our campuses and involves not just women in engineering, but also women in STEM more generally.
My name is Mi Tian. I'm senior lecturer in engineering, and I'm also one of the EPSRC Women in Engineering Ambassador, which gives me a special responsibility to commit to organize the event like this. We celebrate this event in all different ways, including poster presentation, oral presentation, and research image competition. And we have over 100 attendees registered to joining us to celebrate the event.
They are from very diverse departments. Most of them are women in engineering or also in business school.
In the engineering department, there were fewer women, and it was just good that they could come together and talk about their experiences. It was just really interesting, the different kinds of research people were doing in the university.
My presentation was about my progress of research about the normal development progress of calvareal bone around the sutures, and it has the potential to contribute to the treatment of cranial synostosis of the newborn babies. I really want the prize for the oral presentation I prepared, and luckily I got the prize.
Also, I really enjoyed the presentation by our keynote speaker, where she shared her experience from our home country to now thriving in the United Kingdom as a researcher.
I did a presentation about combining the 3D printing techniques and the porous material and using them for hydrogen storage, because it's still quite a new area, so we are still facing many challenges. Really appreciate that they gave us a chance not only to present our work, but also bring all of us together to inspire each other to work together and stronger in this engineering field.
This International Women in Engineering Day is a wonderful opportunity to share our stories, support each other, and build a stronger community of women scientists and engineers.
I would like to express my sincere thank you to all the organizers who make this festival possible, because it really means a lot to our engineering students.
We had quite an emotion day, actually. People shared their own challenges and the difficulties they are facing in their career development as women in science and engineering.
So the community that was being formed in the room was really exciting. I think it's going to be really important for the success of women in engineering.